Okay, hello Sec 1s. Okay, so this is your briefing for or recap of what you're supposed to be doing, okay, for those who have already met last week. So let us now go to the website. You should type in tinyurl.com/sec1kb2020. Okay, what will this result in? You will see the website now. Okay, so on the website, you just need to scroll down, whether it's your phone or on a laptop or iPad. You can just go to the latest update and click here. Once you're here, you will see, remember who is your group. And then I'm going to be going through this as though I am you. Okay, so you need to click here for the song list. You know by now you need to choose the number of songs according to the number of people that you have. Okay, so the songs will appear. After they've appeared, you can decide then which songs you want to use. Okay, just in case you're very unsure, I have put my teacher song here. Okay, so step 1 is listen to all the songs. Don't listen to the full thing, just kind of get a feel of it so that you can choose. So you should be in communication with your group members right now. Okay, so how do I do that? The best way would be, you see step 2 and then step 3. So this part, you can click on it first. Okay, then it will prompt you to make a copy. You make a copy. This is just supposed to be one person. If you haven't done this last week. Okay, you should have done this last week. Otherwise, okay, you click make a copy. It will make a copy for you. And then now there's only one person in this document. So I need to press share. And I have to type in my other group members' email addresses. Okay, so you remember you're supposed to have gotten it. Otherwise, now quickly WhatsApp them to get the email addresses. Okay, and then you have to add them in. So for example, I will just add in myself. Okay, and then you just click on it and you type it, you have to press enter. Okay, of course, select notify people and then you click send. So you do this, you type in all 3. Okay, so you just share with them. You must make sure that they are able to edit. So please just check. So once you click share, you should see here it says editor. Okay, so if you need to change it, in case it says viewer, you just go down and you give them editing rights. Click editor. Okay, now that this is done, you'll be able to edit here. Okay, so let's say even at the most, if you are not able to communicate with them, you select the song that you have decided on, and then after that, everyone else can add in according to whatever is blank still. So what must not happen is that it shouldn't be one person deciding all, because that person, everyone has to be able to sing their own song, right? Has to be able to want and be comfortable to sing their song. So you don't choose for them. So after that, so let's say I chose Let It Be. Okay, now I'll just show you my sample so I don't repeat everything. Okay, the sample you can see is in the Padlet. So I just need to click this. Okay, so you can see that I have copy and paste. This is from the actual song. So this actual song says the lyrics and the chords, that's from the actual song. And then I also copy and paste in the second column so that I can edit the lyrics here. Okay, so you edit, of course you have to edit your own. Okay, you have to decide now. Remember, how are you editing? You're editing based on the character that you have chosen. So remember, which character's perspective do you want to be sharing through your cover? Some examples could be from a perspective of a student. Okay, so the theme is life in COVID. So you have to just put yourself in the shoes of that character. It could be a student, it could be a cleaner in the park, it could be a cleaner in the school. Okay, all the things that they would have had to do. Okay, try and imagine what was their life like at home as well. Okay, what if they had children also and they couldn't work from home, right? So what would that mean for their children, and how do those children cope? You can also be from a migrant worker, maybe someone who had to, all the migrant workers have to get tested, right? So you can try and imagine, or you can go and look up newspaper articles to go and see what is the process that they go through. Then you can write a more meaningful lyric. Okay. So of course you can also just choose to do it from your perspective or even your parents' perspective, because you are with your parents, so you can see what their experience is like. Okay, grocery shopping, all these kinds of things. So you can go and change the lyrics using that whole Google Doc and everything. And then once you're done, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste the stuff in this second column. Okay, the last column, the one that you already wrote. So let's say I wrote something here. Okay, of course, it has to be your lyrics, not ABC. This is just an example. I will copy it. Okay, so Control C, or you just right click and press copy. And then where are you going to submit it? You can either go back to the Padlet, which has the form on step 4. Okay, so if you see step 4, oh my gosh, there's so many on my face. What happened? Okay, so step 4 is the form. What's going on? You should just see many of my face. Okay, I don't want to retake this again. Okay, then the form, you just fill in, and then so let's say my first song, whatever my song was, okay, then I have to paste it here. Okay, so paste for all the songs, and then finally submit. So one person fill this form once again. Okay, and then you're done.